Stan Lee's lifetime is the most valuable resource we possess. It is the currency of life, and unlike money once spent, it can never be earned back. Every person in this world, no matter how rich or poor, gets the same 24 hours each day. The difference between success and failure lies in how those hours are used. The secret to achieving extraordinary results in life is not working harder, but working smarter, spending time wisely and purposefully. The way you manage your time determines the quality of your life, your relationships, your achievements, and your peace of mind. Every second you waste is an opportunity lost forever. The people who rise to greatness understand that time is not something to be killed or passed. It is something to be invested. Success is not the result of chance. It is the result of consistent, deliberate use of time. The moment you wake up each day, the clock begins ticking. The choices you make from that moment, what you focus on, what you ignore, and how disciplined you remain, shape your future. If you want to be successful, you must treat your time as your most sacred asset. Ask yourself daily, is what I am doing right now bringing me closer to my goals? One of the first steps to spending time wisely is knowing your purpose. Without a clear direction, your time will scatter like sand through your fingers. Purpose gives meaning to your hours. When you know what you want to achieve, every decision becomes simpler. You can easily say no to distractions because you are saying yes to your dream. Time management is not about filling every minute with activity. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. Many people stay busy all day but achieve very little because they confuse movement with progress. True productivity is doing what counts, not doing what's convenient. Discipline is the bridge between goals and success. You cannot manage time without managing yourself. Successful people create routines that support their dreams. They wake up early, not because it's fashionable, but because they understand the power of a quiet morning to plan, learn, and prepare. They avoid procrastination because they know that delaying action is delaying success. Every time you postpone your goals, you give away a piece of your future. Consistency, even in small actions, compounds over time to create massive results. The small things you do every day, reading, learning, practicing gratitude, or improving your craft, are the foundation of your future achievements. To spend your time wisely, you must also learn the art of focus. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Your phone, social media, and constant notifications fight for your attention. The ability to focus deeply on one thing has become a rare superpower. When you give your full attention to your work, you achieve in 1 hour what others can't in 3. Multitasking is an illusion. It divides your energy and weakens your performance. Concentrate on one task, finish it, and then move to the next. Protect your focus as fiercely as you protect your money because it is through focus that time becomes productive. Another powerful way to use your time wisely is through continuous learning. The world is changing fast, and those who stop learning will be left behind. Dedicate time each day to improving your knowledge and skills. Read books, listen to insightful talks, seek mentors, and learn from experiences. The more you learn, the more valuable your time becomes because you can use it to create solutions, make better decisions, and influence others positively. Education does not end with school. It is a lifelong investment that multiplies the value of your time. Surround yourself with people who respect time. If you spend your hours with those who waste theirs, you'll start doing the same. Successful individuals associate with people who challenge them, inspire them, and push them to grow. Time is too precious to spend on gossip, negativity, or people who drain your energy. Choose your circle wisely. Your environment shapes your mindset, and your mindset shapes your destiny. Remember, being alone and productive is far better than being surrounded by distractions. Rest is also a part of wise time management. Success is not about working endlessly, it's about working effectively. Your body and mind need recovery to perform at their best. Sleep, exercise, and moments of stillness are not signs of laziness. They are investments in your long-term productivity. When you rest, you recharge your focus and creativity. Time spent on health, relationships, and reflection is never wasted because it strengthens your foundation for greater success. Another life-changing principle is to think long-term. Most people trade their future for short-term pleasure. They waste hours on entertainment but complain when success doesn't come. Those who achieve greatness sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term rewards. They understand that the pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. Every wise choice you make today plants a seed for tomorrow's success. Don't seek instant results. Seek consistent improvement. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. Use your time to create value, not just to chase money. Money is a result of the value you bring to others through your skills, ideas, or service. Spend time building something meaningful, something that improves lives. When you focus on impact, success and wealth naturally follow. Don't compare your timeline with others. Everyone's journey is different, and the time it takes to achieve your goals depends on your persistence, not on anyone else's pace. Gratitude is another key to spending time wisely. When you appreciate the time you have, you use it with more care. Each morning is a gift. Each day is a blank page waiting to be written. Be grateful for your opportunities, your challenges, and even your failures, because they all teach you valuable lessons. Gratitude keeps you grounded and focused on what truly matters. In the end, your life is the sum of your time. Waste your time, and you waste your life. Use it wisely, and you will build a future beyond your imagination. Every hour counts. Every decision matters. You don't have to be perfect, but you must be intentional. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do with your time today. Use it to grow, to build, to serve, and to make a difference. One day, when you look back, you will realize that the way you spent your time was the way you spent your life.